Back in the late 1990s, NASA used the Hubble Space Telescope to take a close look at Mars in ultraviolet light. And what they found, it wasn't a snapshot of rivers and lakes, but a chemical signal in the planet's upper air. They measured hydrogen and a heavier version called deuterium. Out in space, sunlight breaks apart water and molecules. The lighter hydrogen lifts away while the heavier deuterium sticks around. By checking that balance, scientists could tell Mars had been losing water for billions of years. In 1998, a team led by Vladimir Kranopolsky reported that Mars carried much more deuterium than Earth's oceans. That told them the planet once had far more water, maybe enough to cover the whole globe in a shallow ocean a few meters deep. Later studies showed the enrichment is about 6 times higher than Earth. That means most of Mars' water was lost early on, but some is still locked in ice and rock. The evidence kept piling up. In 2008, the Phoenix lander dug into the polar soil and uncovered bright chunks of ice that quickly vaporized in the thin air. In 2012, the Curiosity rover drilled into rocks in Gale Crater and found clays that only form in liquid water. And in 2015, orbiters spotted dark streaks running down crater slopes, at first thought to be salty water, later explained as shifting dust and hydrated salts. Also, in 2018, the European Mars Express spacecraft picked up radar echoes pointing to a buried lake under the South Polar ice cap, about 12 miles or 20 kilometers across. More recent missions kept adding to the story. Seismic readings from the InSight lander suggest there may be liquid water trapped in fractured rock deep underground. Orbiters have mapped patches of ice just below the soil in Amazonas, Planitia, shallow enough that a future astronaut could dig it up with a shovel. And China's Zhurong rover turned up sandy layers in Utopia, Planitia, shaped like ancient beaches, signs that waves once rolled against a Martian shoreline billions of years ago. From Hubble's first signal in 1998 to the latest rover and lander findings, each step has filled in more of the picture. Mars isn't just a dry desert world. It's a place that once held oceans, rivers, and maybe life itself. And it still hides water in ways that we're only just starting to uncover. These are Interesting Things with JC.